Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to dispute an error on your credit report using Credit Karma. It's a common question. Can I dispute an error through Credit Karma? The answer is yes, but with a key distinction. Credit Karma is not a credit bureau. Instead, it provides you with your credit reports and scores from two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. When you find an error on your report, you need to dispute it with the credit bureau that's reporting the incorrect information. Credit Karma offers a tool called Direct Dispute that makes this process easier for errors on your TransUnion credit report. You can initiate the dispute right from the Credit Karma app or website. You'll simply select the account with the error and follow the prompts to submit the dispute directly to TransUnion. For errors on your Equifax report, Credit Karma can still help. While you can't submit the dispute directly through their app, they provide a link that takes you to Equifax's official website to start the process. For a successful dispute, it's always a good idea to gather supporting documents like bank statements or payment records to back up your claim. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.